Sorry for the interruption, girls.
Okay, so let's say blue gets past us. They do some amazing passing, woo, and they get through. Right now we have 1, 2, 3 players that are not behind the ball anymore. In our formation, it's okay for the forward to stay up because once we win the ball back, we need to have somebody to pass to. But our left midfield and our right midfield need to move so that they get behind the ball.
I have a question, Coach Mack.
Yes.
If this player is closer to the ball, they're the first defender, so they would go to the ball. The left midfield has to drop back to cover. So should she go around this way?
No way.
Okay, where should she go?
She should go straight back. She should take the fastest path to get behind the ball. She should run as fast as she can to a cover position. Now our right midfielder is still not behind the ball. She needs to drop to get goal side as well. And our defense will slide over to be our last cover.
Now, Coach, should the forward sit there and just watch all this happen, or should she be thinking about what side of the field to be on?
She should be thinking about what side of the field to be on. If our team wins the ball back here, forward should be watching and seeing to make a movement out wide so that when defense wins it, she can make a good pass to our forward here.
Stuck on the bubble.
Now, if it were the other way, let's say we don't win the ball until here. If forward got wide, blue is still blocking. Forward needs to get into an open position.
And also, this defender now needs to drop to a cover position.
Correct.
This defender needs to slide a little bit as well. And the right midfield should be coming into the middle. So how many do we have behind the ball? 1, 2, 3, 4. With our forward going side to side, she should always be jogging, waiting to see where a good position should be.
Now, if the blue team wins it and switches the field, that means that they're passing it from one side of the field to the other. We all need to work to get behind the ball once again. Right midfielder will step.
First defender, pressure.
Defense will come
cover. This one slides to the middle. And our left midfield covers the center. And we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 players behind the ball.
Now, Coach Stick, does this mean that all 4 players are going to try to go to the ball at one time?
Absolutely not. We always, no matter what, have the role of the first defender and the second defender. If the ball bounces off this blue and goes right here, we have our first and we have our second. We always have a first and second. Now sometimes when we're playing, and it happens, where they get a big breakaway, some fullback made a really big kick, and then there's this big breakaway, and we start to get beat. And that happens. These two are already behind the ball. This person's in hot pursuit, going super, super fast. We have this defender becoming our first defender, pressuring, trying to push the ball and player outside, and then our second defender coming in here. The job of our left midfield is to run as fast as she can back into a defensive sweeping position if both of these defenders are coming out to defend. Where should our right midfield go? Should she stay out here and watch the outside?
No way. She needs to get back into a defensive position too.
Fastest route possible, all the way back to the middle. And again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 players behind the ball. We didn't start with 4 players behind the ball. We started with 2 behind the ball. So it's pressure, cover, drop, and drop to get 4 players behind the ball.